Hello guys, so karon mag-solve kong problem regarding fluid mechanics, specifically the hydrostatic forces on plane surfaces. So in this problem, we need to determine the force exerted on the plate by the ridge. So para makalculate na to ang force nga gipangita, which is located siya diri so dapat makalculate pud nato daan ang hydrostatic force sa tubig, of course. So let's start. So this is the equation for the hydrostatic force, which is the specific weight of water times the h bar times the area. So that is FH. So that is ang specific weight sa water. So that is equal to 1,000 kilogram per cubic meter times 9.81 meter per second square. And then ang iyang h bar, so dapat ang reference sa to ang h bar ani nga case is dapat sa free surface lang. So instead nga 6 meters ang atong i-utilize, kay 6 meters daw ang rectangular plate, so 5 meters lang atong gamiton since 5 meters naman ang water. So ang h bar, we will just divide ang 5 og 2, so which is 2.5. Kay 5 over 2, that is 2.5 meters. And then ang area nato kay 5 times 5. So instead nga 6 or 5 times 6, 5 times 5 atong gamiton nga naman 5 meters naman ang tubig, tapos 5 meter wide man ang rectangular plate. So bantog 5 times 5 ang ato ang gamiton. 5 meters ra sa rectangular plate ang exposed sa tubig, okay? So that is 25 square meter, right? 5 times 5 is 25. So we will get the answer of this is, let me calculate by using my band calculator. So that is 613.1 kilonewton. So it is 613.1 kilonewton. And then since we already found out the hydrostatic force, we need to solve for its location. So asa man ni ibutang si hydrostatic force? So kini si hydrostatic force located ni siya sa center of pressure nimo. So asa man ni sa center of pressure? So para ma-locate nato sa center of pressure, I need to draw a diagonal line here. So kini siya, samtang gakalalom ang tubig, gadako ang imuhang pressure, no? Gadako ang imuhang pressure. So para ma-locate mo sa center of pressure, since this is varying pressure man, you just need to so that is YCP is equals to, so the center of pressure is just equals to 2/3 of the height or the 5 meters nga exposed sa tubig nga height. That is 2/3 times 5 meters, which is equals to 3.33 meters. So mana ang location sa imuhang hydrostatic force. Located siya 3.33 meters below the free surface. Mana yan pasabot. So okay, so let me erase this. So let's just say hypothetically, this is where the 3.33 meters. So, muna mo hang FH. Okay, so, para masolve na to si, let's just say this is FB. So, para masolve na to si FB, we need to moment at A. So, dapat mag-moment adriya sa A. So, this is summation of moments at A is equals to 0. So, let's just say that the counterclockwise is positive. Okay, we assume that the counterclockwise is positive. So, we will then have the 613.1 kilonewton times 1 plus 3.33 meters. So, ano 1 plus 3.33 meters man? So, ang kanang 3.33 meters is sugod dire na siya kutob sa free surface. So banto para maabot ta sa A, we need to add the additional 1 meter na depth, which is kana. Okay? So para di mo ma-confuse. Minus FB. So yung location sa A is 6 meters below. Okay? That's why FB times 6 meters is equals to 0. To isolate the FB, so that is FB is equals to 613.1 Okay, so let me rewrite kilonewton times 4.33 meters divided by 6 meters. So that is equal to 613.1 times 4.33 over 6. So that is 442.45 kilonewton. So that is the final answer. That is M. Okay. So more to guys. Thank you. To isolate the FB, so that is FB is equals to 613.1. Okay, so let me rewrite kilonewton times 4.33 meters divided by 6 meters. So that is equal to 613.1 times 4.33 over 6. So that is 442.45 kilonewton. So that is the final answer. That is M. Okay. So more to guys. Thank you.